Oh, Molly. Molly. Poor baby. Molly. Come here, baby. Come here. Poor Molly. We have sirens testing, and my dog doesn't like them. Not at all. Poor puppy. Your paws are all wet. Oh well. There are other dogs howling in the neighborhood too. It's funny. They're like echoes. Molly. Aww. Poor baby. I think they might be done. Maybe. I don't know. It's been going off since noon. I don't know what time it is now. It's gotta be a couple minutes after. I started recording this. So it probably goes on for about 3 minutes. Yep, it's done. You alright, Molly? You alright? You good?